Chandi.
I'm the president of the union.
Hello, so what's the issue?
Our issue is that our
In the
demands
pay
are still
structure.
pending. Yeah. We are from Mutisha
Do you have the papers? Does Commissioner Secretary and Education Minister aware about
We
this?
have already submitted everything right from 2023. From this year we started, but we haven't
Let me go through this. I'm not aware. So many issues are there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm not very much aware. I'll get back to you. Your contact number is here?
Yes, sir. Submit on this one.
Yeah.
600.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. I'll try to work. Okay. We try to help as much as possible, whatever is within the limits.
Yes, sir.
No? I'll do my best. Okay. Right. See you guys. Thank you,
sir.